That's a ballsy move to book an individual room on Yatwick. Like, I'll take a cabin, please. For who? Just me. Show up like, sup, fellow 11 dudes and gals I don't know. That'd be some shit.
Yeah, especially during Corona.
Well, what I like about it is it all seems dance music focused, which is such a easy sell for people like us. So it's very exciting. Gorgon City, very underrated. Their sleeper pick a couple weeks ago, but
huge.
Very fucking exciting.
All right, well, hello and welcome back to On the Rail.
Bang.
The #1 EDM podcast on the line.
Easily.
Today we got a special episode. We got a Lake House edition, end of the summer. It's crazy. It feels like summer just started, but summer's coming to a close and we want to do something special.
Yeah, summer's a mindset. Don't forget that, kids.
Do a little bonfire action.
A little bit of a bonfire. Yep, behind the fruit trees that we don't know what they are.
Yeah, little apple trees, little peach trees.
Man, fucking apple. I hope it's citrus. Oranges would be great. Maybe a peach.
Yes.
Animal Crossing, get all the fruit. You need all the fruit. Everyone knows that.
Yeah, but today we're going to be doing our picks right here, doing a little bonfire action where we're doing
easy fire.
Not necessarily bonfire songs.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not even the slightest.
But it's going to be a vibe for sure.
Yeah, definitely. You know, a lot of these songs, it's funny how the releases go, dude. Like, you get to the end of the summer, music gets a little more clubby, a less outdoor, festival sounding. You know, it's just, obviously it's all strategic.
Even when we don't have festivals.
I know. It's just obviously all strategic, too, but you can just tell in the way, the types of music that's coming out, it's like, oh, these are indoor club hits. This is house music, house party, indoor fest. No big outdoor festivals, no pool party raves. Like Hakkasan is closed. Sorry, no Vegas pool parties type beat. So it's exciting. I like that type of music just as much as the summer, the summer hits, the summer blaps.
All right, well, let's get into it with your first pick.
Hell yes.
Which is Breaking Me. The Hugel remix.
I've been saying the huge L because I don't think anyone's name is Hugel. And if it is, it's a learning experience for everybody. But this song, Breaking Me, has had already 2 mega remixes. Retone remix and the original, and now this huge L remix. Very good song. It continues to be a very good song.
I feel like this song has been out for a while.
Long time. Like almost 9 months, I feel like.
Oh, and this is the remix of the original song. So did the remix just come out?
I was ripping the first remix, the Retone remix. This is the huge L remix. Got remixes all over the place, dude. It's unbelievable. I'm all over them. I'm in there like swimwear, dude. Little ad-lib coming.
Let the fucking beat drop.
Yup. Yes.
Bonfire on the rail pod. Let's go. Dude, starting off with a banger of a song, Vinny.
This is exactly what we were talking about, though. Like, this is a club version of this song, 100%. This is a Tao mix of Breaking Me. Before it was a pool party. It was beach party. It was hands up. It was tank tops. This is some fucking Amiri triple zipper jeans sliding into Tao. No cover. I love a good ad-lib, too. Very underrated to not have more ad-libs in songs.
Like that.
Yeah, I've been a huge fan of this song all summer, and every remix feels like it gets a little bit better. It's fucking awesome.
Hell yeah. Well, next song, Both of Us. This is your song, right?
Jada G?
Jada G,
okay. Jada G is definitely a music producer, a DJ that will almost certainly miss most people's radar. And if it does, you're fucking up, okay? It is disco. She's got soul, a little bit of boogie, a little bit of groove. If you like it a little laid back, like a nice glass of whiskey on the rocks, maybe a velvet couch instead of some leather club seats, this is the shit for you, man.
That velvet couch.
This is smooth, sultry club music, dude. This is what they listen to in places where they don't dance before 10. Everyone knows that. That's what this place is. Piano. Doesn't have the vocals to get on the San Tropez playlist, but it's close.
Dude, what a vibe.
Dude, I gotta tell you, man, I have a little bit of like, I think I'm addicted to piano house music. Anything that has pianos in it, I'm all in on.
Dude, me too. Like piano house music right now, super in.
Woo!
That is
So
really
good.
good, Vinny.
I mean, I've never heard of boogie house music, but this is like a disco. I mean, listen, I've been on disco this whole year. I think the best album of this year was a disco album. Shout out Dua Lipa, who I'm sure will be on the show next week with her Dance Remixes album dropping, but a future nostalgia. But this was the year of disco, and I don't think we were wrong about it at all.
That song
Credit to us.
reminds me of like if you're like in a French cafe and like the
Yes.
French cafe, like you're starting to get like hyped up from
Yes.
the music. It's like one notch above like
Yes.
French cafe.
Like, I want to
elevator
dance, but I
music.
can't. I shouldn't yet. I'm not there. We went to Shore Club last weekend. Dude, I think they listen to our podcast. I swear to God.
Yeah?
I'm not kidding. At MK, it had M22. Like, I asked, shout out Adam, Shore Club in Chicago listens to our podcast, and the OTR playlist is the official sound of North
We love
of,
that.
of the Shore Club. It really, dude, I mean, it was banana land. I have to come back. I'm going Friday. I'm going back, dude. The music locked me in, but yeah, that song was perfect. It's perfect. You know, it's not quite the San Tropez house party playlist, vacation house party, but it's definitely on the way to being there. It's right one notch below. What do we got? What do you got next?
This is Adore You by Kusin.
Kusin. Who that?
Yes. Who dat? It's Kusin.
Oh. Okay. I like.
This is music you'll hear at like 11 p.m.
Yeah.
It's just getting the club going. You walk in. This is on.
You're looking for the bottle service girl. We need a refill. Early on in the night.
Yep.
Cupcakes aren't even out yet.
Lollipops with your face on it.
Lollipops with your face on it. Scoreboards are out. Get the dom going. Come on.
It's good stuff.
This is a fantastic bonfire. Credit to
Dude,
us.
that thing is going. We started that with
Ripping.
some alcohol, like some rubbing
Isopropyl
alcohol.
alcohol for sure.
Yeah,
for
some
sure.
good stuff.
What do we got? What do we got?
Next song we got up is Lane 8.
Oh, listen.
Casablanca.
As
Run.
as captain of the Lane 8 Slander Club, allow me to rebuke myself because this song's fucking good. That's the thing with Lane 8. I think
I love Lane 8.
it's so rare that for me to have this opinion, but think about it this way. Slander, we rail on them, we shit on them because
Yes.
they tease
well,
songs.
Not because their music's bad.
No. Here we go. They tease their music for 6 months to 6 years, and they never release it. Lane 8, on the other hand, I feel like anytime he hits save in DJ Studio, he's like, all right, done, that's a song.
Dude,
like
fire pistols. Just like, bah, bah. Just like,
just spray and
popping
pray.
off. Yeah.
The whole
Doesn't
time.
care. Doesn't care. 100%.
Literally every song that comes in his head, he fires off. Which, I can't be a hypocrite. If I'm gonna bitch at people for not putting music out, fuck you, Slander. I have to support the artists that put a ton out, even if I don't love it all the time. But this song, Lane 8, featuring some of the K, Casablanca with a K. Very good song. We'll get into the drop here, but very good.
It's like Slander's like very tactical with their approach, but like is always way off the mark. Like they're trying to hit Germany, they're hitting Croatia. Like they're not even close. Like,
Dude, I don't know who's in charge of their when they release their music, but a song every 8 months might be nice. Ooh, that's something we could talk about after this drop. Little topic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Speaking of releases, dude, do you see the CEO of Spotify came out and was basically like, if you're an artist that releases music every 2 to 4 years, you're not going to make it on digital downloads. Like, the people have a hungrier appetite. They need to be in contact with you more often. You need more singles, more remix albums, yada, 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 which, you know, it's him obviously being selfish and putting a gun to their head, like, give me more music to make money off of, or like, we'll downrank you and don't circulate or whatever. But listen, you want to hold artists hostage, CEO of Spotify? I'm right behind you, dude. Why not? I'll take more music. Like, I swear, I'll take all the music you want to give me. So we're holding artists hostage. Fine with me.
It is true, though. The way that people consume music is totally different than how it was, I mean, even 10 years ago. But, I mean, think about 40 years ago. People would buy the actual albums.
Yeah.
Even like 10 years ago, people would buy the songs.
I know.
It's crazy.
I bought a lot of Linkin Park songs back in the iTunes day.
A lot of
iTunes,
Green Day.
iPad, a lot of
Green Day.
Meteora, Somewhere I Belong.
A lot of Green Day. There was one song where, like, Boulevard of Broken Dreams, I listened to it for the longest time, not knowing it was Green Day's song, because I bought like a ripped off version, like a covered version.
LimeWire
and then
days.
someone was like, yo, this isn't the right version. I'm like, what are you
Dude,
talking about?
Lil
They're
Wayne
like,
mixtapes and Linkin Park, dude. That's what my iPod Nano
so
had on it.
funny.
That's what the iPod Nano consisted of.
This is Lane 8 and OTR Shatter. This is my pick.
Back to back,
Dude,
Lane 8?
I love Lane 8 so much. So
Dude,
it's so funny
you
that
wanna
you
marry
pick Lane 8.
bro.
For his concerts, he does this thing where he'll have this concert where he calls it "This Never Happened," and he'll make sure that everyone in the crowd has to turn their phone in the beginning.
Yes.
And it's a no phone concert,
Yes.
no media. So it's like there's no digital footprint of it, like it never happened.
Good.
It's like,
Dude, good. I
takes you
really
back to the roots.
I hope more events go that way. I think just because you can record it and you can share it and there's proof forever doesn't always make it better. And I think people are starting to realize that. At least I hope so.
I love this little drop. And then, whew.
This is brunch music. This is house
dude,
brunch
no,
music.
you're so wrong. This is 2:30. You get done with the concert. You're back
Brunch.
at your place. It's an after party. You throw this on, and it's just a vibe.
Definitely outdoor music, I would say. This is pool party post show for sure. For sure. Man, really chill vibes we have coming today.
Oh, but wait.
That's gonna change. That's gonna
Next song
change.
we got up is "Leave the World Behind," Zach Martino remix. Dude, this is like classic Zoo. I mean, this isn't a Zoo song, but
I know what you mean.
this deep bass is good.
Shout out Avatar. Hit a reference on it last week. Shout out Nick. We all know the ending. Had to represent. This kind of music makes me sad, dude.
Dude, it's a good song.
I miss the scene, man. Yo, speaking of futuristic bass, the 2049 playlist has been constructed. It is under construction, people, and it will be released probably next week. I'm waiting to get enough songs on it to where it makes sense to have it as a playlist, but, you know, message received from the future, that playlist is coming. And I think this song's a candidate. I like this a lot.
It's good. It's good. This is a Monica Burns song. Shout out Monica.
We love you, Monica.
Our next song we got up is Shadow. It's another one of my songs.
Fix picks.
3 in a row for me. This is by Blank. Blank is an upcoming artist.
Blank E or blank?
Blank E. There's a difference.
I saw it. I saw the song. I almost picked it. I did not, though. I had a spidey sense that you would picked it. It's, you know, that's why we work as a team. Never line stepping. No stepping on toes. You have, you know, the SoundCloud music, and I have the good music. Easy.
Bro, I got that up and coming stuff that no one else knows about, dude.
Dude, I do feel
you
good
got
when
the undercover picks. I got the picks under the undercover picks.
yeah, dude. If my picks are the floorboard, yours is the fucking concrete foundation.
Exactly.
I do love though when you hop onto SoundCloud when we get the links ready and you're like, oh, this has under 5,000 plays. Bang, boom, bop, bop, bop. Hell yes, dude.
This is definitely a candidate. I was like, when I heard this for the first time, I was like, this is literally a fight song in a Tron movie. Like,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like,
I already see the metal suits. 2049 playlist coming. Remember that old like kind of chirp that people will have like, oh, EDM sounds like robots fucking. Never understood why that was a bad thing, to be honest. It is the future.
that was Shadow by Blank. Fire song.
very, very spicy.
Next song is You.
Ooh. Oh, man. This was the first song in the 2049 playlist. Where's Flux Pavilion been? Apparently in the lab making fire beats, okay? Also, Feed Me. Great album last year. Underrated. A little bit of weird, a little obscure. Okay, I get that not everyone knows them, but that's why we're here to bring Feed Me to you. I am feeding you, feed me. Flux Pavilion on the song. Unbelievable track. Let's rip.
I was expecting something harder, like way harder.
It picks up, don't worry.
It picks up.
A little bit. Dude, I remember I showed you a Feed Me song last year. You didn't love it. You were wrong, but dude, this kind of deconstructed electronica is my jam. I love me some
This,
Feed Me.
there's some like video game music where I like.
This is like a Zelda-tron collab.
Yeah, but
Dude, you love.
I was expecting
you
something harder
fucking
from
love
Flux
punk
Pavilion.
EDM, like you wish fucking Pearl Jam had a electronic keyboard for
Oh,
what's their
dude,
life,
that-
dude. Like, please.
If I was an up and coming DJ, what I would do, I would remix the hell out of like,
Yeah, like
old
grunge.
songs. Like,
Yeah.
dude, people would love that. I mean,
I've
that's
often
like
thought about it.
that's how so many DJs. I only know one, the Chainsmokers.
And
came
DJ.
up. But I mean, dude, what a better way to like get
Well,
notoriety that way.
DJ
by-
equipment, everyone's worst nightmare is coming true. I've ordered DJ equipment. My first order of business will be to make dance mixes of every Kanye West album. Just dance versions of every fucking album. And there's nothing anyone can do to stop me. Oh, I can't fucking wait. Prepare your ear holes, man. Ears are the eyes of the side of the head, and I'm stuffing you full of dance mixes of Kanye. What is this, man? What do we got? What do we got?
This is Everything's Good, Slow Magic remix.
Talk about bonfire
Phil Gill.
music.
Yeah, this is chill song.
This reminds me a little bit, speaking of the Chainsmokers, their Lawless set last year when they did the remix of Over My Head by The Fray. If you have that,
So
please
good.
send it to me.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about.
Please send that to me. That was so good. It was on YouTube, and now it's like degraded. Whatever file they use, it does not sound good at all. You can't even listen to it. But if you have the remix of In Over My Head with The Fray featuring the Chainsmokers, send that shit to me, please. It was so good.
So good.
Shout out old girlfriends Jesse and Hannah. We miss you, even though you don't miss us.
Our next song we got up is Tellin' Me by the one and only Sammy Adams. Dude,
Wow.
Sammy Adams.
Wow.
You might know him as the guy from the song
Boston's
All Night.
Boy?
Oh, that one.
Boston's Boy?
All Night Longer. I mean, dude.
Is he back?
You tell me.
Is this an original or is this a remix of a new song?
No, he made this song with 2 other people.
Pivot of the year, man. Pivot of the year. Listen, I'm here for Sammy Adams' foray into house music, okay?
Dude, give me the comeback. I'm all for it.
Yeah, dude.
The comeback EDM.
What?
Like, it's not bad.
Not being able to sing "Didn't Stop the Chainsmokers," and by God, it doesn't have to stop Sammy Adams. What? What? No.
Sammy Adams, let's go.
Get the fuck out. Wow. Wow. I expected that to be not great. That was good.
Crazy.
This is the best
right?
thing I've ever heard, but no, am I excited that Sammy Adams is making electronic music? I'm fucking ecstatic.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Sign me up for that, dude. Inject me. Give me, feed me.
Yeah. Here we go with our next song. You, right?
What is it?
You and Me.
Ooh, The Magician. One of my all-time favorite party
Armando.
songs. I'm sorry, but I'm not
great
shy
song.
around you. Shy is one of the most underrated EDM songs of all time, featuring The
Shout out
Magician.
Matt Judd.
He's back, The Magician. New single. Nailing the pool party music vibe. God, Shy is so good. And this is good step back. I mean, he's had some
So
singles
is
in
Ready
between.
for Love.
Oh, big time.
Great song
Big
by
time.
The Magician.
You almost wonder with
This
some
is
of these
way
guys.
chiller than those songs.
Some of those guys that do a single every once in a while, like they either just love touring and playing live sets, you know, and don't really care about original music production, or they like have a second job as like an accountant or something. Because like The Magician comes out with a song every like what feels like 2 years. This isn't a pool party song. I don't know what is. Evening pool party. You got the floating balls in the water, different colors. I'm dunking on people on the mini pool basketball hoop. Make sure no glass near the pool. Keep the handles on the ping pong table. Everyone knows. A couple of comebacks in the zeitgeist this week, man. Sammy Adams, Flux Pavilion, The Magician. Good to see. Refreshing. Very refreshing.
It's a great chill song. It's going on the permanent playlist.
Man, you know
This
what?
next song we got up is You Are My Life,
Chocolate Puma?
Chocolate Puma.
Dude, this song is on the Saint-Tropez boys trip vacation for next spring. You better fucking believe it. Hands up music. Give me a disco ball. Gets right into it. Something about this song, a strobe light automatically goes off in my head when this song's on. Yeah, man. Fall's coming. Club music is here.
This is like a huge 80s throwback house music
Oh.
that you'll see at Celeste.
Big time.
You know, you go to Celeste. I love Celeste. They got the lit up dance floor. They got the disco ball.
Everyone loves a good lit up dance floor. Oh man, exactly, dude. This is that's a glitter and disco ball type song,
Yep.
man. Damn, good shit, dude. Good shit.
Is this you? Guess I'm jaded. Is this me?
That's you. I don't want to take credit for any of your fantastic picks.
This next song we got up is Guess I'm Jaded.
Shout out Sonos.
Guess I'm Jaded by Goldroom and Moon Tower Wildfire Remix.
Wildfire remix.
Guess I'm fucked, guess I'm jaded. I don't even wanna be faded. This place has got me feeling.
It's crazy, man. The seasons start to turn just a little bit, and the whole vibe changes.
Guess I'm
I could listen to music like this.
You love this stuff, dude. You
24
love it.
hours
I
a
know.
day, every single day, all the time.
You love this stuff, man. It's bananas, dude. Do you love those Lane 8 seasonal mixes?
Oh my gosh, love them.
Yup.
Took 60 minutes to
Oh, okay. I saved the best for last. Lullaby, Crystal Skies. You know, this song is in the same vein as, you know, your Seven Lions. Really, Seven Lions is, you know, Said This Guy, you know, those type of people. But, you know, hearing people with this type of sound outside of those guys, kind of refreshing. This makes me think of the end of music festivals. We didn't have any this year. R.I.P. My soul is crushed. But this song gives you a little bit of taste.
One more sleepless night.
Is this a Crybang song?
A little bit. A little bit. I've co-opted the crybanger from you.
Let me let you cry when you're
I've never been in a relationship once.
pissed, when you need the sun.
No, I watched Avatar. I got super emotional and I downloaded this song.
Yo, quick shout out to our fire. This thing has been going.
Yeah, credit
and
the fire.
Popping off. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Good
Oh, man.
music.
I knew you'd like this one. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Feels good, man. Feels
Really
good to
good.
get one of those out.
Totally.
Wipe a tear.
Yeah.
Pull up your camel pack. You know what the fuck going down.
Yeah, that was the last song
Wow.
for today.
Dude.
Have you been watching the LSD drive-in stuff?
No.
All the content that's
No.
been coming from
Has
that.
it been good?
Dude, I don't know. I'm not a fan. Like as I said last week, it's just
Yeah.
it doesn't look that fun. Like I'm looking at it and it's like you look at regular concerts, the movies make you, or like the videos of the concert, they
Yeah.
make you want to go there.
It's the apex
when I
of the
see
event.
videos of the cars, I'm like boring. Like it just
Yeah.
looks boring. Like
Yeah. You know
It-
what? Let's just pack up 2020. We'll try it again next year.
did you see
Make up for it.
any of the
Trust
promos
me.
of like the standalone stages, like the little pods, I guess?
Yeah. Again, let's just make up for it next year. Let's go to double the festivals. I don't need these fucking no half measures type of guy. I don't need these gimmicks, dude. Just
Agreed.
Let's
It's
let's
not the
get it
same.
next year. You know, you got on the rail to keep you moving until then, keep you in tune. I think maybe at the end of this year, I'll do my 2021 selection draft where I'll be picking, 50 songs that I will not acknowledge were released in 2020 and just pretend that they were released in 2021 so I can enjoy them. And I give permission to everyone to do the same.
What'd you think of all of the illegal raves that have been going on? Like I've been seeing about all those in the news.
It's a do as I say, not as I do. I don't think they should do them. Would I go to one? Yes.
Agreed.
Just your standard hypocrite. Also, small confession before we head out. I'm addicted to bonfire potting, just for the record.
It's freaking nice. It's great. What a vibe. What a vibe.
Seriously.
Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, for liking. If you made it this far, hit us up in the DMs, text
Yes.
us, let us know what you thought
Yes.
about the episode.
at Victor the Fourth, at Vince Zenner, Zenner for the beats.
Yes, we love you so much.
Links in the description below for the playlists, my peeps.
Yes, that too. That is it for tonight.
Hell yeah.
Take care, guys. Thanks so much.
Fade to black.
Bye.